The poem is titled I Cannot Be Polite Anymore. Do not expect me to be polite. I am pissed. Deal with my anger. The sophistication in my speech is dead. How do you expect me to not scream the scream I have seen my community keep locked in their lungs for generations? How can you expect me to not cry and howl the tears out that my parents couldn't afford, for they were busy building a life and had no time to sit, laugh, or cry because they wanted their children to feel life, for their own was only meant to survive. Do not expect me to be polite because I am angry and pissed and livid on behalf of my entire commune and ancestry whose stories of being shunned, being told to abide by someone higher up, to keep their mouth shut after finding out the murderer of their father, to bear with living with their abuser, to be under the same roof as their rapist? How dare you expect me to be polite? There are some days when these stories pile up in my heart, wanting blood. My throat feels that scream build up, and my eyes feel that pool of tears. All of them wanting to be loud at once. My breathing changes for the panic and pain of all those past generations rises up through my body, shaking. My soul rattles to the core, and you expect me to be polite? What a joke, seriously. I dare you to deal with my anger. For I need to cry 1,000 tears that the mothers before me could not, and scream 1,000 screams that the fathers before me swallowed, and burn all those demons that live still in our homes because we couldn't get rid of being polite. I'm sorry. I cannot be polite anymore. Thank you.
Oh God. I think everyone must be having goosebumps. Kya powerful poetry and how you narrate. Amazing. So
Wow.
impactful, so powerful. Srishtika, as always. Amazing. Devika ma'am.
Wow. Truly wow. I didn't just hear your poem, Shrishtika. I could hear the angst of millions of women worldwide. And I think that many people would be exactly waiting for something like this. That moment when each one of them says, I'm not going to be polite anymore. Ah, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank
Full,
you.
Fullo.
Shrishtika, you weren't polite. So that was really amazing. And like I'm still absorbing, still trying to recall what all issues you picked up. And yeah, that courage, uh, that even when you know that you're at the spotlight, even when you're struggling and dealing, and still showing those people the courage in your eyes, the power in your eyes, that do what may, but I am not going to be polite with you anymore. So that is very strongest, and that really came out. And I could feel that how you're not being polite now in the real life. So that was amazing. And you have a powerful voice. Brilliant. एंड ये भी कुछ मतलब कार्मिक होता है। अभी राजेश जी से जब मैं पहली बार मिली थी, सो मैंने कविता लिखी थी कि मैं ही सृष्टि, अद्भुत सी विचित्र सी ये सृष्टि, सोचती हूँ सब कुछ ही मेरे अंदर, मैं ही सृष्टि। और मैं आज सृष्टिका से मिल गई, जो बिल्कुल शी इज शोइंग मी अ मिरर that in my life for last 5-6 years I've lost so many people that now I'm just almost isolated, friends, families, everyone, just for the cost of not being polite. And I'm okay with it. I don't know if I'm proud of myself, but I'm okay with it. So kudos and more girl power to us. Keep writing, keep expressing yourself. That is very important.
ओके
Thank you so much.
अच्छा फुलो, आप वो सेटिंग चेंज कर सकती हैं अपनी ऑडियो सेटिंग्स। ओरिजिनल साउंड आपने म्यूजिशियंस वाला किया हो, उसको चेंज कर लीजिए।
Okay.
ओके तजिंदर, डॉक्टर तजिंदर।
बेसिकली ये तो स्टोरी आई गेस सभी उन लड़कियों की है जिन्होंने आवाज उठाई है कि दे आर आइसोलेटेड वंस दे स्टार्ट लाइक स्पीकिंग आउट ना व्हाट दे रियली वांट एंड वंस दे स्टार्ट स्टैंडिंग फॉर द थिंग्स दे वांट फॉर देयर लाइफ। उन सबकी यही स्टोरी है कि वो आइसोलेट हो ही जाती हैं, बट इट्स ओके आई गेस टू रियलाइज दिस थिंग कि you need to be on the priority list of yourself. This is important, and this year like poetry has like shown us again, so thank you.
ओके सौम्या।
So I know Shrishta, we have met a lot of times in Bangalore. We are good friends. And of course, it's not a surprise that she killed it. But I'm so happy that you chose this for today because I needed to hear it. And I think जो भी भसड़ अभी दुनिया में चल रही है, it is nobody needs to be polite anymore. Politeness ने ही यहाँ पहुंचा दिया है. Good people really need to speak out right now. So yeah,
Thank you,
just thanks
Soumya.
for choosing it, and yeah, I'm glad I was here.
You've got it correctly because ये उस भसड़ से ही निकल के आई थी poem.
वो दिख रहा है वो भाई, वो दिख रहा है मतलब it's just yeah,
Thank you.
we
कृष्णा।
should talk.
इतना ही कह सकता हूँ, so powerful and the way you perform, that's outstanding actually. So good job, thank you.
विवेक।
Thank you.
विवेक आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
हाँ अब आ गई।
I was saying that as everybody said, it is really powerful and impactful performance and that poetry. As Soumya said, like बसट से निकल के आई है, तो बिल्कुल एकदम बहुत ही फर्स्ट टाइम आपको सुन के बहुत ही मजा आया। और एक what do I say that? A new thing I could hear it, like this kind of poetry with anger. It was really nice.
Thank
ओके
you.
प्रियंका जी।
बहुत दमदार परफॉर्मेंस था, इतना ही बोल सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत कुछ झेल चुकी हूँ लाइफ में। ये सुन के ना मैं पावरफुल बन गई लग रहा है।
So huge round of applause for Srishtika ji.